So this butterflies project was experimenting with isolates and futures streams. So this was a preparation experimenting before I made this unbounded list view pagination with streams and future builder, because I wasn't really sure if Dart itself is capable of supporting the concept of the pattern of consumer and producer. So first I gave a try to isolate a solution which was based on isolates, and it worked really excellently. I don't want to go into the details because this sample I copied from Coding with Joe. Let me just open link. Yes, this was the example I used as a sample. Of course, I modified it significantly, and then it helped me really understand how isolates work. So that was really great. A very simple, elegant solution. And so that was the first step. Before, however, I decided to go on with the isolate way, because it's really a multi-threaded, preemptive, multitasking, parallel programming as the classic way. So it worked like charm. However, I was thinking maybe let me just give another chance for the non-preemptive nature of Dart's concurrent application handling. Therefore, I created a simple solution like a integer stream, and then this was my producer. I created here a timer, a periodic. Every half a second it generated a message, a counter, a number. It was inserted into this integer stream, and then the message was displayed on the standard output. And then I created here a consumer, an infinitely looping future, which used a favorite of mine, stream iterator, over this integer stream. And then what it did, it mimicked of processing every integer number, this was just a request, for 1 second. So therefore the producer was a lot faster, twice as fast as the consumer. And then I was interested how this infinite looping together with the infinite producer can work concurrently in Dart. And then to make sure that all of this works fine, I created here a delayed future for 5 seconds, and then it was cancelling. I also had a chance here to cancel the timer too, because a timer can be cancelled. Let's see how it works. Yes, as seen, it works brilliantly. So when I saw yesterday night this result, I said, yeah, it works excellently. So the queues provide a kind of synchronization machinery, and then there is an extremely good big benefit of this non-preemptive nature of Dart. you don't have to lock, you don't have to fight with critical sections and atomic booleans and all of this crazy stuff, which is typical in really highly concurrent preemptive solutions. So therefore this worked excellently, so I decided, yep, let's give it a try. And my previous video, the 94th, was the result, but that was actually the experimenting before to support if the idea, the concept of this producer consumer pattern can be implemented with regular futures, and I don't have to go the hard way using isolates. Actually, programming isolates are not a lot more complicated either, so to me it didn't seem to be a rocket science to implement that, because isolates communicate with each other via streams, so that could work brilliantly too.